In this video, the grade 6 learners were able to multiply simple fraction. Okay, I have here 3 examples. First is 5/7 times 6/9. So in multiplying simple fraction, you are just simply multiply the numerator above and multiply also the denominators below. Okay, 5 times 6 equals 30. Then, over 7 times 9 equals 63. So, 30 over 63 can be reduced to lowest term. So, we have to find numbers that can divide 30 and 63. Okay? So, 30 can be divided into 3. And 63 also. Okay? So, 30 divided by 3 equals 10. And 63 divided by 3 equals, sorry tadiri ang technique ani, 6 divided by 3 equals 2, then 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So, the answer is 10 over 21. So, this is the final answer. Okay, the second one, 4/6 times 3/8. So, this time, we're going to use the cancellation method. So, pwede makancel ang 4 og 6, but ang 3 og 8 dili. So, mangita tag laing way. So, in cancellation, be sure maparis siya ang numerator and denominator or denominator to numerator. So, parison yun nato, babaw, ubos, babaw. Okay? So, sa 4, I think 4 and 8 ang dapat parison. So, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So, 6 and 3 can be divided into 3. Divided by 3, 1. And divided by 3 is 2. Now, kagmay na kayo. So, dali na kayo nato nini i-multiply. So, 1 times 1 equals 1. Then, 2 times 2 equals 4. So, 1/4 is in lowest term na. So, kung ato na siyang i-multiply, ang 4 times 3, pwede ragyapon. Then, 6 times 8, pwede ragyapon. Then, mag-reduce ta. So, by using cancellation method, okay, dili na ta kaayo mag-reduce. Kung mag-reduce magani, gamay na lang yun ang kuwang. Okay? So, the third one, so, let's apply. Pwede na ito ma-applyan o cancellation method. Okay, ang 5 og 2, dili. 3 og 5 dili, 2 og 9 dili, but ang 3 og 9 makancel. So numerator man ang 3, ang 9 yung denominator, so pari sila. So let's cancel this one. Divided by 3, 1. And divided by 3, 3. Okay, now 1 times 2 equals 2. Over 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay?